Look familiar? It's cold. I'm back at the Wickersham Dome trailhead, and today we're going to do the Wickersham Creek Trail. About a week and a half ago, I started over there and did the Summit Trail, small section of a couple miles. Last time I was here, I came up this way. I did this section right here, which doesn't look like much, but this is the ski loop and it's 5 miles. Today we're only going to go like a little bit up, like a mile or two, for a good reason. When I left my house, it was negative 35 degrees Fahrenheit. I wanted to come out. This cold weather really brings out some beautiful light. The clarity is insane and it's wonderful, and it's just a fantastic time to shoot pictures. The problem is at 35 below, there's no fun with taking pictures. So I had to get into the heat inversion layer. And that's where the cold air is so dense that the hot air, or relatively warmer air, sits above it. And it causes this heat inversion layer, which the temperature can range, 10, 15 degrees. So got up here about, I think we're at around 2,700 feet, and there is a heat inversion. It is about 15 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit right now up here in this parking lot. The only trade-off is there's a wind. The wind drops it right back down, but I'll take it. Let's see how it goes. We got 3 layers of clothes on, and I'm wearing my Sorels today, which are good to about 30 below. I had a pretty picture moment. Stop. The lights just addictive. You just don't want to stop staring at it. It's so beautiful. Makes the winters here really amazing. It has warmed up a bit. Got the wind. My face is cold. The breeze is chilling my face. I don't know if chilling is the right word. Flash freezing it. Solidifying it. It's beautiful. What a remarkable image. This trail is mind-numbing. We got this glow in the air right now. It's salmon and indigo. It's incredible. myself. I gotta enjoy the sun on the way back. Wow, it's incredible. I forgot how beautiful it is up here. It's cold. The Alaska Range, way off in the distance. That's gonna be a pretty picture. I hope. I'm not even thinking about pictures right now. Just absorbing everything around me. Fairy tale. Beautiful. It's getting colder, but it's beautiful. I think my beautiful heat inversion layer is cooling down a little bit. I can't feel my fingertips, even though I got 2 gloves on. It's probably around negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit right now. The sun is just about to vanish. Can't feel my nose. Almost about 2 miles in. Like I said, not a long hike day. I'm gonna get about 4 miles all told, but I just want to come out and enjoy it. Or the turn off for the ski loop. Doesn't look like anybody's been on. So this is where I came from, right there. That's where the trailhead is. Trail Creek Junction is where Lee's Cabin turnoff is, and you hit the wall, which many people talk about during the White Mountains 100-mile trail race. It's just a drop. It's an insane drop off. You just drop off from up here down into the bottom of the vastness, I'll call it. But ski loop is really fun. Nobody's been on it probably since the last snow we had. Also, I'm 5'5". This is 5 feet tall. Just to give you an idea of our snowpack right now. I'm about 1.5 feet above it, so we don't have a lot of snow right now. Maybe a 2-foot base here. So we need more snow. Right now it's perfect for running on. It's hard as a rock. This trail is. It would be a good time for a run. But today it's just a hike, and I'm starting to get really cold. I don't want to freeze to death out here, even though it's really beautiful. It's just something that just beckons you into this trail. You know, when a trail just begs you to run it, just to continue on it regardless of anything. This is that trail. it's like, oh, hey, well, let's turn around at the junction for the ski loop and head back, man. It's cold, hands are cold. Can't feel my face, but none of that's foreign to me. I'm used to it. So it's like, what are you crying about? I'm a little concerned about the car freezing and not being able to start, but it's not so cold that we can't go, you know, a few hours or so, whatever, that we're actually starting to worry about it. So, just gonna keep going. Decided to head back a little bit ago. The sun will be setting here in about a half hour, and I really would like to get a kind of see if I can get a shot of it. I've been hiking for an hour, so 2-hour hike. Hit about 20 below. It's not bad. My biggest concern is that right there. It's moose tracks. Big as your car, like minivan car moose tracks. Those tracks weren't there 20 minutes ago. So there's a moose or more in the area, and if they get pissed off, they're not going to hesitate to stomp me. Now I'm kind of spooked. They also travel on these trails sometimes when the snowpack's a little deeper, because it's easier for them to travel. But they're grazing right now and eating, so they're crisscrossing the trail. Just hope they don't crisscross onto me. That wouldn't be fun. Found a great shot of Wickersham Dome right here. It's gonna make a good picture. I'll do a little filtering on it when I get home. Friggin' moose are everywhere right now. I'm literally pivoting as I'm hiking, like, where are you? I know you're out here. I know you can hear me. Good grief. I'm hiking along a bit. And a little while ago, it dawned on me that I missed my sunset shot. My mouth is frozen. My sunset shot. So it's okay, but I was just really in my own little world there for a while. Kind of sad. I'm just watching it go. My mouth isn't working anymore. Can't feel it. It's a little cold now. Temperature's dropping. Fun note, we don't get any radiant heat from the sun this time of year. It's pretty much just for show. Oh. Sitting there talking, and then all of a sudden I realized it's beautiful, and I need to stop. stop and shut up for a second. And enjoy the tailwind. Wow. I turned around and just immediately froze. I'm in a reflective mood. It's too beautiful. Off in the distance, Denali is peeking up over the hills. Amazing. The cold is zapping the battery power from my camera. So I've got about another mile to go. I'll try to get the battery warmed back up in the car. I have 10% power, thank you to the cold for destroying the battery in my camera, but I made it back. I had not filmed for the last mile of the hike, but the car started after 3 hours of sitting at negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit. That's it from here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what's going on. Love to hear from you. Take it easy, and I'll see you later.